Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are at Great Wolf Lodge in Anaheim, and I'm going to give you guys a room tour, and then we're going to go swimming, and I'll show you the swimming pool. Okay, walking in. Oh, wow! Oh my goodness. Look at this when you first walk in. A little kid section just for the kiddos. Let's turn on some lights. Okay, so interesting. The bathroom is when you very first walk in. So we have shower. It's decent sized. Okay, so that's when you very first walk in. There's a little space area to the left of when you walk in. Mirror. Oh, interesting. The safe is right there. Okay, so there's this ledge right here. We have microwave. Let's check out the mini fridge. Okay, that's great. So that's really good for us. This big spacious area right there. Oh, we have table right there with 2 chairs. So the couch folds out, and then we also have this bed, and then over here is the wolf den kid section. So technically you could sleep 6 people in here. And then let me show you. All right, let's see what we got going on in here.
They don't get the bee.
So they have their
some TMZ and Mari.
Okay, so we have a TV right there. That's pretty cool. So the kids are most excited about is that little wolf den area. And I like the separation from the rest of the room. That's pretty cool. So there you go. There is a tour. Oh, I guess we can come see out the window. Part of a water slide, part of the outdoor pool. So yeah, what do you guys think of the room? It's pretty big, and I like the kids section. And we'll do a tour of the rest of the hotel. Oh, there's also TV right there.
there. Okay.
I believe him. Everyone's a critic.
We want to hear a story.
Simon. Hello. Spike. And Digger.
Let's pick it from the top.
Now listen as the forest tells you how to make a song.
And if you feel the grateful spirit, you might just sing along.
Now every story begins with a once upon a time. And songs are really stories telling them and rhyme. And life is set to scene as we let the story play.
Come to shore, please. Let me some of my fine friends say hello to me.
Perfectly for Sienna.
Okay, there's the bowling alley. Okay, so you saw the bowling alley. There's the Bear Paw Sweets and Treats. This is downstairs, so you're gonna come downstairs to go into the water park, which is through this water store. They have like swimsuits and goggles, and then you go through that to the water park. This is the Build-A-Bear. Show you guys how cute. Isn't that adorable? Get a wolf or a raccoon or a bear. It's just so fun that they have a Build-A-Bear within this resort. There's the fluff machine. I mean, it's really cute. These remind me so much of Disney ears. I think that's kind of the point of it. So they have them as wolf ears, which is cute. So over here we have another food place. Looks like they have pizzas. There's an arcade. This is the Magic Quest, which you can buy a wand, and there's like interactive things throughout the resort. This is mini golf. So yeah, that's kind of a tour of down here. This is one of the interactive wand things. We didn't do the wands this time, but I'm guessing this terrifying dragon wakes up. So you'll wave your wand over here, and then there's going to be an interactive something that happens. Same with all these treasure chests. We've seen them open and close when kids wave their wands over it. Down there, and then you come back up the stairs, which will lead you into the hotel lobby. And then I'll give you a little tour of what's up here. Oh, look! You can see a wolf character over there. How cute. So up here we have this really big shop. This is the biggest shop. Lots of fun souvenirs.
Yeah, like pins, hats.
Clothes. Then if you walk over here, you can see this is where they do story time with the interactive characters. And then over here, you can see the water park.
The room is ready. Come on, people, come on!
So it's a pretty impressive lobby. Let's see, Kellen's holding up a sign in here. Let's go see what it says.
Look at the window.
It says, "What happens at Grandma's never happened." Here is the part of the lobby where you check in, obviously. And then there's a restaurant, Loose Moose Family Kitchen. We wanted to eat here, but it was closed for a private event.
Yeah, what's even crazier, look over there. Well, that's where you meet, and over on the other side, that's where a little show.
That's right, that's where the show is. How much is the wand, Kellen?
70.
Yeah, the package is $80.
Another candy shop when you first walk in. Okay, so we are back from Great Wolf Lodge. I just kind of want to give my final thoughts on how we felt about staying there. It was so much fun. We loved the room that we were in, the wolf den with the bunk beds for the girls, and you know, they had their little section. That was so great. We did not do the extra packages for like the wands and the Build-A-Bear and the credits for the arcade. We went knowing that the focus for us would be to go to the water park, and that's where we spent our time and loved that. So the water park did not disappoint. I will say the lines were very, very long for the slides. Sienna's playing with rocks. So the water slides, the lines were just really, really long, you know, especially like when we were waiting to go on any ride that had a double tube. Not the one with the rafts that you saw where we were all in there. Those were a bit quicker. But waiting to go on anything with a double tube just was such a long wait. It was so long. And I don't know, you have to like wait in a line just to get the tube. And it was almost like they only had a few tubes for the double. So anyway, that was that. So plan to wait in line for the slides. That is just a part of it. But the lazy river was fun. The girls enjoyed that. So having the Loose Moose restaurant closed for a private event was disappointing because you're there and it's on property. It's a part of the resort. So that was kind of a bummer. I felt like, obviously because of COVID, not everything is completely up and going. So if you're going, I would just call ahead of time or do a little bit of research to see what is open, so you don't run into any hiccups like that. But I feel like we want to go back, and that's kind of the best compliment that we can say about going somewhere, is that we want to go back. So I think next time we'd like to try the one, there's one kind of by San Francisco that's a little bit newer, and we'd love to go back, try it out. Okay, Sienna in the background. Oh my gosh. She's just having so much fun in my office.
Look at me.
Oh my god.
Look at me.
So we plan to go back. We kind of want to go back with extended family. We think that'd be really fun because everyone could have their own room, and then you could meet up and go to the water park. We'd love to try some of the different
What do you like
packages
to taste
and try
like?
that out. Maybe some of the wand stuff or other things.
Sure.
Anyway, this was kind of a distracting outro, but that is our stay and review of Great Wolf Lodge. Let me know if you have any questions or your own thoughts. Have you stayed there before? Have you done the packages? Was it worth it? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!